it's a surprise. We're waiting for him to come down. Here you go. He doesn't know. Sorry, sir.
Hey, what's my new car doing over there?
Levi! Come on over here!
Damn!
Hey Levi, get that thing off Evan's head. Get this.
So confused. Oh my god.
Come and check it out.
Wait, I didn't put Evan's face.
We got it.
2015.
It's 2015.
Oh, this is the biggest. This is the biggest.
Do you like the color?
Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
Do you see why I didn't have you open the door?